Welcome to this AT&T Collaborate video tutorial. In this video, we're going to show you how to transfer calls on your Polycom phone. There are two ways to transfer a call. A warm transfer will allow you to confirm a person is available before you transfer the call, and a blind transfer which will transfer directly without confirming the call recipient is available. To perform a warm transfer, with the caller on the line, press the transfer soft key on your phone's screen. This places the caller on hold while you check if the recipient is available. Dial the recipient's extension and press call. This connects you with the call recipient. When you see this video screen, press the minimize button on the bottom right-hand side of the screen, then press the transfer soft key again. This sends the caller to the recipient and you are disconnected from the call. To perform a blind transfer, with the caller on the line, press the transfer soft key on the bottom of your phone's screen. Next, press the blind soft key at the top right corner of the screen. Dial the recipient's extension and press call. This sends the caller directly to the recipient and you are disconnected from the call. To transfer directly to voicemail, dial *55 and the extension number, then press call. Thanks for watching this AT&T Collaborate video tutorial.